My name is Atul Bhoye and today is my presentation topic research decision. What is research decision? Task of defining the research problem is the preparation of the research project and population popularly known as the research decision. Decision regarding what, where, when, how much, by what means concerning uh, an inquiry or a research study uh, constitute of research decision. Meaning of research decision: a research decision is the arrangement of conditional for collection and analysis of data in a manner that aim to combine relevance to the research purpose with economy in procedure. Research have following parts: sampling decision, observational decision, statistic decision, operational decision. Sampling, which deal with uh, with the method of selecting items to be observed for the study. Observational decision, which related to the condition under which the observation are to be created. Statistical, which concern the questions of the how the information and data gathered are to be analyzed. Operational decision U, which deals with technique by with the procedure satisfied in sampling. Features of a good research decision: a research decision appropriate for a particular research problem usually involve the following features: the mean of obtaining information, the availability and skill of the researcher and his staff if any, the objective of the problem to be studied, study in nature of the problem to be studied. Department, dependent and dependent variables, a concept which can take on different quantitative value is collect a variable, a phenomena which can take on different qualitatively qualitatively value even in decimal value are collect continue. Extra nouns, variables that are not related to the purpose of the study but may affect on the dependent variables are termed as the external variables. Example of this and research hypothesis: the researcher's hypothesis is a predicative statement that related an independent variable to dependent variable. Experimental and control groups: when a group is exposed to usual conditional is it is termed as a control groups, but when the group is exposed to be some special conditional it is termed as experimental group. Treatment: the different conditional under which experiment and control groups are put up usually referred to as treatment. Experiment: the process of examining the truth of a statistical hypothesis relating to same research problem is known as a experiment. We can conduct an experiment to examine the usefulness of a certain research decision. In case of exploratory research decision, exploratory research methods are also termed of formulative research studies. The main purpose is that of formulate the research problem three method: the survey of concerning literature, the experiments survey, the analysis of insight, the the experiment survey. The experience survey means the survey of people who and practical experience. The project is often new ideas related to the research problem. The survey of concerning, this is most simple and truthful method of formulating the research problem. Hypothesis is taken early work and their usefulness be evaluation is a basis for further research. In case of hypothesis testing research studies known as experimental studies are those uh, researchers test the hypothesis of causal relationship between variables. Thank you.